Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna unbox this new Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone. I have ordered this and just let's unbox this first. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First, just open the box and here you can see here it has written all the details, Realme branding and just and here it is, make it real. Open this and friends, here it is the protective case. You can see friends, and friends, here it is the sim tool tray and safety guide and this quick guide. Let's keep it aside and see what is in the box. And friends, here you can see, here it is the Realme 12 Plus 5G smartphone. Let's see what is in the box. Here it is the 67 volt of fast charging. You can see that 67 volt charger, and here it is USB to type C charging lead. Let's come to the main thing, phone. Here it is. Let's open this, and friends, let's come to the design. You can see here it is very unique design. You can it feel like a cloth cloth material, and the right side you can see here it is the metal finish. You can see, you can just put it phone like this. You can see, and here it is the volume rocker button, volume up and volume down. Here it is the power button, and at the bottom you can see here it is type C charging port. Here it is the sim tray port and a speaker, and at this side you can find nothing here. And at the top you can see here it is microphone. It is the second microphone, and here it is 3.5 mm audio jack. Let's open the smartphone and start this. Friends, it has two color variant. It is the I have purchased Pioneer green, and it has another color is Navigator beige, and it has two storage, 128 GB and 256 GB, and 8 GB of this. Let's come to the uh, processor. It has Dimensity 7050 octa-core 2.6 powerful performance, no hang phone. Click on next. You can choose first English, then press next. Here you have to click on India, select region, then click on next. Friends, here it is connect a network. Click on next. You have to first skip it for a while, then you have to just disable all these and click on accept. Here are unlock method. There are three unlock methods: fingerprint, face and password. Just skip this and getting your phone ready. Here it is two navigation style, buttons and gestures. You can select buttons, then click on next, and here you have to enable all these and click on done. Just click on skip, and here it is Realme UI started. Friends, it's metal, side metals are very good. You can see that its camera is back camera is 50 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and friends, its front camera is 16 megapixel attractive selfies with clear and sharp for colors, and back camera has DSLR like pictures and great zoom. Let's talk about the pictures. I have taken some pictures in it. Friends, you can see this. I have taken some picture of back camera, and you can see its clarity is superb. You can see that when you just zoom it, it is not blurry at all. And you can see its front camera, the combination of light and contrast texture is very good. Front camera is very good, superb. You can see. And let's come to the display part. It is a 6.67-inch full HD plus AMOLED cinematic display with sharpest colors, and it has 5000 mAh of battery life, that is massive, and charging that lasts up to 2 days. And it is obviously a 5G smartphone, and it is has expandable storage also. And friends, it is 1 year of manufacturer warranty for device, and 6 month warranty for inbox accessories. And it is a Sony LYT 600 OIS portrait camera, and it is MediaTek Dimensity 7050 5G chipset with 120 Hz ultra smooth AMOLED display. You can play, friends, a game in it. It is very good, and it has fast charging with 67 volt. Let's come to the uh, song part. Let's test its uh, speaker. Click on allow. First you have to connect the internet. Click on Wi-Fi, and here you have to first connect the network. Click on password and click on save. Then click on YouTube. Here you have to type songs, and friends, here you can see I have playing music. Friends, you can see its volume. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. The speaker is very good. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us. Friends, let's talk about its video quality in the YouTube. Let's check. And here you have to click on any video, and you can see its, I have just full its brightness, and you can see its colors are very good. I show you the settings of highest quality. Friends, it has 4K option. You can see 2160 pixel plus HDR option, means 4K plus HDR option. When you just click on it and it is applied, you can see its beautiful colors. You can see, friends. You can purchase it from the Amazon and Flipkart. I have given the link in my description. You can get in. I hope you like this unboxing. If you like this unboxing, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.